All right, we're going to give you a little insight on this cool little color display we got going on as part of the Pro package.
So many of our displays are set up the same way. They use the same settings, so this can kind of go across many of our e-bikes. But to power on your e-bike, the button on the right lower of the display will power your e-bike on completely. It takes about 3 seconds and turns on. There's another button down here too, so if we're going to go into settings, we have to do it almost immediately, but you're going to hold the button down and it'll go into your first menu. Now, in your menu, the very first thing that comes up is system, which is actually the whether you're going to do in miles or kilometers an hour. Out of the box, they're set to metric. So what you're going to do, since it's already drawn the line around it, hit the M button again, the same one we used to get in here, and allow you to start changing things. The plus and the minus go through your options. We're going to change this to imperial for miles. Hit the M button again to get out of there. Now, the rest of the settings here, if you wanted to change them, you could, such as the brightness here. The auto off means that if the bike is not in movement and you're not touching anything, it shuts itself off in 5 minutes. That's standard. And we don't really want to play with the battery indicator voltage. It just tells us in the upper right hand corner how many volts are going on. A couple of other settings we want to do is this. If we go backwards to more here, hit the M button. It's going to ask you for a password so people can't get in here easy. Password is 1919. Okay, hit 1, M, 19, 1, 9. Takes you into advanced settings. Now, because of the size of our tires, where we think that it's 26, it's not really 26. The tires are bigger, the circumference is bigger. We set this to 28. Okay, you also see over here, speed limit. Out of the box is 25 kilometers an hour. It's really not technically 12 miles an hour. It's a little faster than that. But here's the thing. The Sabre is a class 2 bike. It's supposed to top out at 25 miles an hour by law. You're welcome to set this to what you want to. So if we come over here to speed limit, hit the M button, allows you to change it. The max setting is 99. You'll have to hit the button a few times here. As you can see, 99 is the max number. Hit M button to get out of there. Please do not change the speed poles or the start poles. The assist, if you want to, can change, but it doesn't change how much it assists. It just changes how many numbers there are. That's all there is to it.
All right, well, there you go. Do a little pan out here. So I'm bringing the new black outline on the decal. And don't worry about the white SS back here.